Old School Africa recently announced that they are expanding their product suite into the crypto economy. Prior to now, Old School Africa has been primarily focused on developing talents in the tech ecosystem, and they have made significant progress in this area, training several Nigerian youths on becoming experts in marketing, in product design, in product management, and other tech fields. And many people have even gotten jobs because of the trainings that they got from Old School Africa. In recent times, there have been many more developments in the crypto economy. Creators like Fisayo Fosudo, Kagan Tech, and Tayo Aino are also getting global recognition and partnerships with global brands. Spotify recently announced that in 2022 they paid over 11 billion naira to creators on Spotify. It's evident that there is a lot of potential in the creator economy as well. Old School Africa wants to help people identify their creative talents and develop them so that they can earn more and also contribute to the Nigerian economy at large. As a creator myself, I find this very interesting. Maybe I'll be taking 1 or 2 courses from Old School Africa. A few weeks ago, Moniepoint launched their retail banking product to compete with the likes of Kuda Bank, Pay and Opay. Now, Moniepoint has established itself as a business banking platform. As of today, they've registered over 1.5 million businesses on their platform. Moniepoint has become one of the biggest fintech companies in Nigeria, and they recently announced that they process about $12 billion every single month. They have developed expertise in providing solutions for banks and small and medium scale enterprises. Now they are going into retail products. Imagine that you are patronizing someone using a Moniepoint POS terminal and you're making a transfer from the Moniepoint retail banking app. How fast would that transaction be? It just makes everything kind of seamless and smooth as well. I believe this is a development that will benefit both the businesses and the individuals using Moniepoint POS terminals. However, with already established incumbent players in this space like Kuda Bank, Opay, Paga, and Pay, who has about 25 million registered Nigerian users, do you think Moniepoint can have the latecomers advantage in the retail banking sector? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Pay, a subsidiary of GTCO Holdings, recently announced that they made about 1.3 billion naira in the first half of 2023. In recent times, we've seen several banks in Nigeria establishing their own fintech arms. Stanbic IBTC has Zest, GTCO has Pay, SMS Holdings, which is the parent company of UBA, also founded RedTech as their fintech subsidiary. WEMA Bank has Alert, and Access Bank has Hydrogen. Some of these banks have been in existence for decades. They have an established brand name, have a sustainable business that is very profitable, and they have a growing user base that many of the fintechs in Nigeria cannot compete with. I mean, Pay is barely 2 years old, and they have recorded very staggering numbers in the past few years. Do you think bank-owned fintechs can compete with regular fintechs? Let me know what you think in the comment section. WEMA Bank recently announced in a mail to their customers that they've completed their integration with PAPSS. PAPSS is the Pan-African Payment Settlement Scheme. It's just like NIBS, but for Africa. It enables countries all across Africa facilitate interbank transfers and settlements. So what exists today is that if I want to send money to you from Nigeria and you're in Ghana, my bank in Nigeria has to first convert the naira to dollars and then convert the dollars back to Ghanaian cedis for you. Now, this creates a lot of hassles in the financial services space, and some of this money is lost in conversion fees. However, PAPSS is going to solve this problem. It's going to enable people from different African countries send money from one another in their own currency. WEMA Bank is one of the first banks to announce that they've completed their integration with PAPSS. Recently, WEMA Bank seems to be at the forefront of any fintech developments in Nigeria, with their partnerships with fintech companies on virtual accounts, their partnership with Flutterwave on their remittance products, and WEMA Bank was also the first bank to increase their limit on foreign denominated transactions. Shout out to the WEMA Bank team and all the progress they've made so far. Hopefully, PAPSS will solve many of the cross-border transaction problems we have in Nigeria and Africa at large. Google Host recently announced that they've acquired SendChamp. SendChamp is a fintech in Nigeria that facilitates SMS messages for businesses. So you see all those OTPs, bulk SMSs, and many other services. Now, this is one of the growing sectors in the tech ecosystem in Nigeria. With the rise of fintech apps and many other fintech products, SMS messaging seems to be growing on a rapid scale. NCC recently announced that Nigerians sent over 14 billion messages in 2022. With the increase in internet and mobile penetration, we can only expect that this industry will grow more. Also, in recent times, we've seen many more acquisitions in the Nigerian tech ecosystem. Fairmoney acquired Payforce, and now we are seeing Google's acquiring SendChamp. We can only expect more, as many of the startups in the Nigerian tech ecosystem are moving from a startup stage to a scale-up stage.